Good morning, everyone. This is 24th of November, Monday. Um, Hope you had a good weekend. So one of those times I'm sitting at quite a profit, but I don't think any of my positions have hit their target profit. Now let's quickly take a look at deltas. Because the issue is that I am at a wedding, I'm traveling. I'll share some pics. And the issue is that I can't connect to Wi-Fi, and the internet is really crappy over here. So yeah, one way to look at it is that I'm at a wedding, I get to all of this, and then other way, oh my god, I'm at a wedding, I have to do all of this. So deltas for Nifty are pretty fine. Open interest also seems like it's between 2 points. There's a great song by David Gilmour. Let check it out. Okay, let's focus. Let's quickly focus because I have to go. Yeah. Delta is on this one perfectly balanced. This is not turn Cipla. So, target profit not reached. The deltas are fine. Let's take a look at this if it loads at all. Oh, this is an interesting scene. But since it's going up, I am not worried at the moment. Okay, this is something. Target not reached, and I think deltas are getting skewed as well. Um, it's 11 o'clock. I'll come back to this one. And see if I have to make any adjustments. Right now, I don't because number one, this is not where I actually start making hard and fast adjustments. But the second is that I can't risk on this Wi-Fi. I'll switch places and then I'll see if I can punch orders with guarantee that they will go through. Higher probability that they will go through. So it is fine. It is fine. Overall, this one is okay. This one is going good, remarkably better than, and I mean, for the first time that I'm doing it, it's getting quite good. I was talking about gold. This one has not reached, and we had to adjust it right here. So it's never. And Alco has reached its target, but I'll let it simmer a little while. The reason being, it seems like, yeah, balanced. So this is the story, I think, with almost all of them this time around. That they are pretty balanced at the moment, the ones that have reached their target. And yeah, this needs adjustment. This needs adjustment. Um, Overall, also it looks little. See, look open interest over here. There's no sector going on for this one. Again, yeah, this is also this one needs. There's two of these, Hindustan Zinc and this, I think, Coal India. Take a look later in the day. This is seeing an up move. This is also getting out of hand. And this is a fresh up move, huh? Because this was pretty much sideways up until now. Um, this is a protective factor to me at the moment, so I'll take a look later. Yeah. See, here's the issue now with it seems I have been to I've been traveled. Okay, here's the issue. I really need to go, so I'll just quickly take a look at deltas, and if it's anything is like bothering too much, I'll just take a look. Okay. 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 Yeah, okay. So up until now, this is the one, huh? Okay, cool. Most important part is the delta neutrality. If I check this, I don't even have to look at the payoff graph at the moment. It just clicks. Okay. Well, everything seems fine except for these three, huh? I'll take a look. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Yeah, okay. Everything looks fine. Just getting back to this one. This one is okay. Kind of bearish stance going down. Yeah, okay. Well, these might go out of hand, these three, and they might, take all the profit away if I don't manage them. So this one seems the biggest of them. Quite, yeah. Now here's the issue in a wedding. If I have to do all of this, I really need to pay attention, and I really don't have that going on for me. I underestimated. The last wedding I was at, I was able to do a lot of stuff. This time around, it seems a little tricky. I can shift it over here. This seems very nice. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. 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 Let's quickly take a look. Yeah. Sure. Why would you? Why would you do that? ये यहाँ खुलेगा वो वहाँ खुलेगा समझ नहीं आता मुझे. Okay, this is not looking good. Okay, this is very much a bit support. Yeah. Okay, I'll take a look at this. Where exactly am I? 500, 450. So I'm around here, right around here. So I still have a little bit breathing room, and the upper point is way above. I need to shift it down. This is almost the respectful point where I can shift it down to. Okay, I'll do this in a while after shifting places. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Switched places, and funnily enough, यहाँ पे भी Wi-Fi नहीं है. No Wi-Fi over here as well. So let's see if we can do what's needed over here. Um, ठीक है, मुझे डेल्टास दोबारा देखना पड़ेंगे because वही है ना, like I can't do things like this. Yeah, this one needs definite adjustment. I'm gonna be a little mechanical today instead of thinking too much because I don't have time. 12 type just okay. Do I have time to look at this? I need to look at this. Let's take a look at this. अच्छा expiry है. Oh, that's lots of unwinding on both sides. Still what's trending? Well, that is clearer. But yeah, that is still trending. So that gives us a little clearer picture. Yeah, this is interesting. And let's take an overall look. Yeah, this is very interesting. So it definitely some have it's 390 here. Cool. So let's take a look at deltas then. 390 is where we are heading. 34. I need to add like 14 deltas. So yeah, this seems logical. Let's take a look over interest wise. Yeah, this seems very logical at the moment. My only issue that the next support is over here, and the photo I changes. It's pretty significant over here. Our strike is at let's say 370. So we have 370 over. Okay, good, nice. This is nice. It's kind of fine. This is our second adjustment. So yeah, this needs to be taken care of. The issue is also I'm not getting too much of premium back. Yeah, just 400 rupees for a shift in. Wow, I'm shifting by 5 points. That's it. Let me see what else can be done. Because 0.22 delta is still somewhere. Now we're getting at 16. This seems a better picture. Little tighter, but seems better to me. Okay, we need to buy it for as low as possible, sell it for as high. This is जाएगा नहीं, so I need to do this, I need to do this. Good. So we are done over here. Coal India has been adjusted. This is the second adjustment, huh? What else? What else? What else? Concor. This is fine. 15 delta is fine. Going down though. STS alive. 11 deltas is fine. 24 deltas needs adjustment. We'll give it a minor nudge. There's a lot of open interest over here, just a little bit. So what is that we are getting? We are getting one. Yeah, this is cool. Getting a little bit of more premium and shifting the deltas a little bit slightly, which is fine by me for the moment. Although, let's take a look at closer expiry and how things are changing. This will give us a very clear view. Lots of unwinding, but overall, yeah, so this is expected not to go above here to me. Expected by me. ठीक है फिर वो लोग बोलेंगे like how do you know this is not blah 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 LL. Yeah, so this is fine. This is pretty fine. Yeah, so let's just punch it in. Mm, so I need to buy it for low होगा नहीं 4 होगा नहीं 4 पे तो खुला ही हुआ है भाई. Yeah, that's what I thought. Sorry, I'm sorry. 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 आदत नहीं है मुझे. Let's take it out. Um. So what else? We did adjust this one, right? Or we did not? अबे यार क्या है? यही दिक्कत होती है. When you try to do things under pressure. कौन सा adjust किया था हमने? So we did Hindustan Zinc. Okay. Next is Infosys. I hope the voice is at least getting recorded. Infosys is on the up move. I need to check something. What's the unwinding? And the addition, wow. So this is, yeah, hitting it over here. So what change and then this. So yeah, there's some, okay. Let's take a look at this one. Hmm. We are at 1380. So there's quite a lot of potential to shift our strikes up. We are almost over. Yeah. A little bit. Let's let it simmer. ये हो गया ये बचा है ठीक है Arida, this is again neutralish for me, but this will give us a very clear picture actually in the short term what if people are trying to do. So they are addition to nahi hai, but still there is lots of standing open interest. So this is interesting. And like they have added a lot of things over here with nothing on the downside and yeah. So this one I can actually adjust. Get a little aggressive though. And then I will not be able to stomach the up move if that happens. But I can nudge it to like one. Then let's see what are we getting at those deltas. Yeah, see here's the picture. 3.9, 3.3% increase over here for the December expiry. For the November expiry, there is a lot of unwinding, which is expected. People are quite brave. That might not have nothing to do with bravery, more about. So this will be very neutralish. Let's shift it down. Yeah, this is fine. Let's see what are we getting out of it though. Just a little bit more. Okay. For a delta neutral strategy, I rely a little too much on open interest. Actually, I wouldn't have shifted this at all. It's stupid enough because कितना ही फर्क पड़ रहा है. I'll still do it. पता है इतने तो चार्जेस में लग जाते हैं. देखना जरा चार्जेस कितने लग रहे हैं इसमें. 52 रुपीज. Oh, wow, this is nice. This key strikes body common. I love, tick size. It is 86. I want to sell it for 86, 87. Let's try. इन सबको मुझे लिखना भी पड़ेगा इसके बाद. While everyone is expecting me not to do all of this while I'm at a wedding. नहीं नहीं हम तो घूमते हैं भाई वर्ल्ड. वो देन दे शो यू दोस थिंग्स राइट. भाई आज हमने टूर करा है सारे का सारा ट्रेडिंग के पैसों से. और ट्रेडिंग करने का टाइम कहाँ है उनके पास. आप ऐसे ट्रेवल करते हुए कर रहे हो तो या तो आपका बहुत ही बढ़िया सिस्टम है आपको सोचना ही नहीं पड़ता तो फिर आप उसे ऑटोमेटिक ही कर दो. और अगर ऑटोमेटिक ही कर सकते हो इतना बढ़िया सिस्टम है. ये भी ऑटोमेटेड हो सकता है वैसे. करेंगे ट्राई करेंगे. सो आई थिंक आई एम प्रीटी डन. Yeah, I'm pretty done. So I just need to modify the manual panel and then I need to edit to the sheets and this is about it. Yeah. There is booking can be made in LTF. So this one has hit its target. So I can exit it actually. Let's take a look if we can exit it. It's quite neutral at the moment. Very neutral. And my other thing is yeah, okay. It can okay. Interesting. Let's circle back tomorrow. Let them decay a bit. I'm because then it's 1632. This is not hit. A lot of them have not hit their target. I think this one has not. This one has not. Let's just check. This one 3369, 219, 8849, 3369, 5510, 96612, 224. This one has hit. And 4489, 3369. 44 ये तो बहुत ही पीछे है भाई. 6 ये तो ये भी नेगेटिव में है. 6 ये तो ये भी वही इशू है. And after all of this it's not there. 448 नहीं है अभी. 224 नहीं है. ऊपर के तो हमने चेक कर ही लिए थे. 6612 ये भी नहीं है. 66 this is not there. So yeah, a lot of them are not. And by quite a margin actually. Even if we look at something like this which has not been adjusted, it has not reached its target. It's like 336, 3500, 5510, 0336, 7500. So 38, it's almost 1,000 rupees less. Yeah, so we still have time in decay. Let's see. We still have like 14, 2 weeks before I start taking these off manually. So let's just see how things go. A little concerned, but let's see. There's no point being concerned because nothing is in our hands except for due diligence. Cool. Bye. Good afternoon. So we are at this. I just came back from lunch. I just want to take a look and see if we can take off trades and we should be taking off any trades. First, let's take a look at what needed balancing and does it need further balancing. So this has gone down like almost 1%. And I think we made an adjustment in the morning and the next one has also decayed quite well. We almost have a rupee decay. And the deltas have gone up. This one is an interesting case because it's surely going to hit our short strike. Another interesting learning from this is that if you take a look, we are at a positive PNL. We are in profit despite stock moving a lot. This is an interesting study, learning. So let's take a look at exactly what we should be doing with this because I think it will be nicer for me to take this off at quarter of the max profit because I have made plenty of adjustments on this one already. So it was 496.9. So yeah, quite a big jump. I'm not gonna calculate the percentages. 450 and 560. So I've shifted down to 500. So it used to be around 560. Oh my god, it was way. And the stock was, let's just say 500. Really? The stock was at 496. So it used to be right around here. Okay, somewhere around here. And it has gone down 2.6%. Really? No. Is it 2.6? No. What's the difference? It's 10%. Yeah, it's 10% down move. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. This one is going to bloody hell. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. It has gone from this all the way to this. It's trying to find some support, but I don't think it is capable of finding anything over here. The next stop is over 435, so it's going down. Interesting. Here comes the decision making thing that should I carry this or should I take it off? Carry means that I respect the rules of my strategy, and taking it off means making a decision based on the data that is in front of us. So let's see. First thing I want to take is at the change in open interest. Yeah, so this is 20 lakhs, and there is no fresh issue at this point, so that one is old. Interesting, right? Almost 8 lakh of unwinding. Okay, there is fresh issue over here and over here, over here. Okay, and then it's like more than 2L, and then overall picture is 20L. So yeah, this is kind of fucking hell. What happens in these trades, I often end up rolling them into a straddle, so that is not where I want it to be. But it needs some kind of adjustment as well. Bloody hell. I need to make a 41. I need to reduce by 20 deltas. So if I do this, it will be around. I need to get it right around here. I'm collecting a bit of more premium. Yes, and still it's within its strike rate. So yeah, got it. So this one is where I think I will be making the next adjustment. It's coming up from one to there, so it's finding some kind of support. Is this graph live? Yeah, it has found some kind of support, yeah, pushback. So this is why making extra enthusiastic adjustments can, bite in the ass. But we are still safe because this is a pretty big resistance. So yeah, I think making something makes sense. And if it does move upward of this, like this, like right around here, we will have deltas which are minus 36. So, and if I don't make one, it will be 27 that way. Okay, interesting case. If it makes a recovery to 479, and 479 is right around here, which is another big resistance. Not biggie, but a resistance kind of stuff happening over here. Then the deltas will get back to say 0.17. What I'm gonna do is nothing. Hindustan Zinc it was, right? Yeah. I'm not gonna do anything. Let's take a look at this one. Deltas are fine for now. And let's take a look at this one is trying to get its variance. We adjusted it? Nope. I thought we did. No, I did not. Okay. It can use a minor adjustment. These सारी positions है ना इस बार की it's a little tricky. Some kind of semblance over here. Change भी है, open भी है, सब कुछ है. ठीक है। तो 0.18 है। इसको मैं रहने दूंगा भी। या इस समय ना मैं बस रिव्यू करने आ गया हूँ। द रियलिटी इज दैट आई रियली वाज नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग टुडे एडजस्टमेंट वाइज, बट आई जस्ट केम बैक टू जस्ट टेक अ लुक. Oh, 0.20, it has gone down. Oh, why? Oh my God. These two positions, the Zinc and Coal India, both of them. Coal India में ऐसी दिक्कतें हो जिंदगी में कम देखी, but I remember when I used to trade Coal India, it was always sideways. What are our strikes? 369, 370 मान लेते हैं. So around here. अबे हट जा भाई सामने से. The thing is ना कि इस point पे the kind of adjustment that I have to make and want to make require quite a bit of time. I can actually move this down a little bit more because this is incredibly huge. That's what she. This is good, but I want to see a change in open interest over here. कल एक्सपायरी है ना, सो कल एक अच्छे ट्रेड्स हो सकते हैं हाई हैवी को शॉर्ट मारने के, बट वही है कि आई एम नॉट फ्री. दिस इज वेरी मिक्स्ड. दिस इज वेरी mixed picture over here, right around here. This is fucking stupid. What is happening? Hmm, interesting. 95 पे शिफ्ट हो बार क्या है. अब तो बुकी. ओके. तो you guess what I'm going to do. Exactly nothing. मुझे बस इसका कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. अभी ये वहां नहीं है जहां मुझे चेंज करना पड़े. सीधी बात. ये भी वहां, ये तो बिल्कुल ही इतनी दूर है. वाहियात करने की हद है इसमें. तो इसमें 8076 है लेकिन इतनी दूर है फिर भी अजीब है ये सब. HDFC लाइफ बाकी इन सबको मैं चलने दूंगा डिस्पाइट हिटिंग प्रॉफिट 0.15. इंडेल को भी सही है. एंड बस ये है बस एक जो अनबैलेंस हो गया इस पॉइंट पे. इसको कर सकते हैं बैलेंस थोड़ा सा, बट वो ये कि फिर ओवर में जाएगा. आई जस्ट वांट टू सी कल क्या होता है इसमें, बिकॉज कल एक्सपायरी है. कल ड्रामा हो सकता है गंदा वाला. बेटा स्प्रेड अच्छा है इस पे. दैट्स समथिंग आई लाइक. मन तो नहीं था बट आई डिड इट। बाकी सब ठीक है। um, yeah, बाकी सब ठीक है। This one is like horrendously going low. This one as well, but this K deltas at least they are not in the screaming zone for me. So I booked some things. It should be 69. Oh, sorry, 70. Let's just consider 69. Spoiler alert, she did not. 1632 एक 8 9 एक सॉरी हाँ क्लोज है ठीक है 1 8 ये हिट हो ही गया है। दो ये नहीं हुआ है और 4 4 8 एक नहीं ये भी नहीं हुआ है 4 7 ही भी नहीं ये तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं हुआ है बट लाइक स्टिल ना इज्जत रखी हुई है और एक्चुअली ये प्रॉफिट नहीं है। अगर इसमें आज का वो जोड़ दूँ क्लोज पोजीशन और हम आई थिंक 500 वाली तो ये प्रॉफिट में आ जाएगा। ये जस्ट टाइम पासिंग। I'm gonna put a reminder not to watch this stuff for you. मतलब you should not be watching this stuff. This is pointless. For 48 ठीक है। These are funny. But still okay. 2 8 2 6 5 10 2 2.5 ये वाला प्रॉफिट खोने के लायक है बट ये आई थिंक बैलेंस्ड है काफ़ी। I'm just gonna let it simmer. मैं आई थिंक मैं probably परसों मैं मतलब देखता हूँ लाइक दिस ये तो हो गया है हिट आराम से ready to be taken off but ये बैलेंस है तो just let Corona decay a little bit more. Same story over here. दो हमारे हो गए हैं और 3 स्टॉक्स में थोड़ी दिक्कतें चल रही हैं 4 4 8 5 9 ये भी हिट हो गया है नौकरी नाइस बैलेंस ही है ये भी एक तरीके से क्योंकि इसमें कोई एडजस्टमेंट भी नहीं है तो फिर ठीक है 4 4 8 3 6 4 8 ये होने ही वाला है 2 6 ये भी नहीं है 3 3 6 4 8 4 4 8 3 3 6 6 8 ये भी नहीं हुआ है 3 1 6 ये भी नहीं हुआ है 3 3 6 ये भी नहीं हुआ है 2 and 2 4 ये भी नहीं हुआ है तो 2 हो गए हैं तो एक में रह गया तो अब मैं बस ये करूँगा आई एम जस्ट गोना पुट टू एफएल शीट एफएल मैनुअल पैनल द यूजुअल स्टफ। अब इतना बोर हो ही रहे हो तो यार वो भी देख ही लो। किसमें इसमें किया ना हमने हमने क्या किया अभी 500 510 तो 500 वाला बुक किया ना मैंने इस समय यहाँ पे टाइम आता है यार टाइम तो 500 490 सी 500 वाला 980 तो 7963 980 8943 मैनुअल पीएनएल 8943 ठीक है। ये हो गया कूल। अब इसको क्लोज कर देते हैं लेट्स सी ओवरऑल हम कहाँ हैं 69 बोला था मैंने। अब इसको शीट में फिल कर लेते हैं और अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग को फालतू में लंबा करते हैं क्योंकि बहुत हिंदुस्तान जिंक ने बड़ा वो करा परेशान। हाँ ये देखो ये आज की ही डेट में एक और एडजस्टमेंट एक और तरीका है इन चीज़ों को डील करने का दैट यू एडजस्ट थिंग्स एट द एंड ऑफ द डे लाइक अराउंड 2 hours बिफोर द क्लोज सो दैट इज वन वे टू डू इट बट वही है ना कि लाइक गैप अप गैप डाउन होते हैं ना तो सुबह उठ के देखना ही पड़ता है और एक बार अब मैंने देख लिया कि क्या चल रहा है तो फिर मन नहीं करता कि मैं बैठा रहूँ हाथ पे हाथ रख के 454 बहुत ही अजीब पोजीशन है 495 है नहीं 490 है चलो ठीक है 90 सही 4.4 11.5 4.4 11.5 ठीक है and then that comes to DT which will be 36 Let's come to deltas 0.42 and 0.21. अब ये डेटा है ना तो थोड़ा फायदा इसका ये रहता है, लाइक आई कैन एनालाइज इट एंड सी जब इस पॉइंट पे पोजीशन आती है, then what are the probability of it reversing back to its price. Does not reverse to mean, that's not right way to say, but it kind of balances it out, क्योंकि सेल ऑफ के बाद बाई भी होता है, तो स्टॉक थोड़ा बहुत बैलेंस होता है। अगर ऊपर शूट कर रहा है तो नीचे भी थोड़ा सा आता है, तो वो चीज़ होती ही है, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों के स्टॉप लॉसेस लगते हैं तो वो नीचे चला जाता है, कुछ लोगों के बाय ऑर्डर्स लग जाते हैं तो वो बैलेंस आउट होता है थोड़ा सा। तो वी कैन टेक अ लुक, बट आई फाइंड इट अटरली, I just don't do it, but I'll do it just to get a idea. वही ना, इस टाइप की चीज़ें करने पे you can't make a system out of these things, but all of them need to come together to make a system, basically. Um, ignore my rant. I'm just, let it be. This part जो अभी मैंने ये आफ्टरनून में डाला है ना, like this is totally useless, at least from my perspective. But as it is often found with things, I have found 22, 13.2, 13.2, baby. Nice. Unlucky numbers, I like them. 22. So how much did we book? We booked, I think, 968. Orders में तुम positions में दिखेगा. Where is my 980? I don't know what I was saying, and this is it. We'll start taking these trade-off soon and stuff. देखते हैं क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, because a lot can go wrong still, especially Nifty जो हमेशा बहुत सेंसिटिव रहता है। क्या डेल्टा चल रहा है इसके? Pretty sweet. कल के लिए we can short something, let's just take a look quickly. अभी अच्छा मार्केट बंद हो गया है, कोई नहीं, still let's take a look स्क्रीन में जाके। नहीं, कल की एक्सपायरी में आईवी हाई किसकी चल रही है, हटा यहाँ से। 361, पता नहीं कौन सी कंपनी है ये, लेकिन काफ़ी ज़्यादा उसमें देख रहा। 361 के क्या चल रहा है? अगर मैं कल की एक्सपायरी ना, लिक्विड ही नहीं है, बहुत ही बढ़िया सुंदर, मैं इसको ऑन करूँ तो हटेगा ये? लो, क्या फ़ायदा है फिर। कॉन्कोर देखो भाई साहब, हमारे कॉन्कोर ही हमारे नैया उड़वा रहे लोगों की इस समय। कॉन्कोर के कंटेनर देखे थे मैंने। So, if I do want to short, I don't have that kind of deltas on this one, but what I can do, no, I can't do that. That is stupid. There is one alternative, let's say 0.06, let's say this one. This is very stupid, but not that good. Let's take a look at another one. Phoenix, UPL, Concor, IGL. RVNL देख लेते हैं एक बार। मुझे देखना है कि किस टाइप का कितने परसेंट प्रीमियम्स मिल रहे हैं इस समय। So that's what I'm trying to see. You can, यार डेल्टा चलो ठीक है, पॉइंट, हाँ ये ठीक है, ये है तब भी, काइंड ऑफ अ सेफ बैट। लाइक 87 पॉप अच्छा है इसका, और 0.84 रिटर्न है। अब वही है ना, मतलब 0.84। निफ्टी का क्या चल रहा है? अगर मैं शॉर्ट मारता हूँ तो स्ट्राइक्स में एक्चुअली ये चूज करूँ या वो का, चलो यही चूज कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। ये वन इसको ऊपर रोल कर देते हैं थोड़ा। 0.82 वो सेम परसेंटेज है। आईवीईपी क्या है इसका? 51। देख रहे हो, इसलिए मुझे समझ नहीं आता इंडिया में हाई आईवी शॉर्ट करने का पॉइंट क्या हो जाता है कभी कभी। अब वो ये ना, लाइक आई कैन गो इनटू डीप एंड सी आईवीपी है कितना, लाइक एब्सोल्यूट टर्म्स में वो आईवी कितना मैटर कर रहा है, क्योंकि आईवीपी तो फिर कंपैरेटिव हो जाती है ना एनालिसिस। सो आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि दोनों हाई आईवीपी होने के बाद भी हाईली वोलेटाइल सिमिलर फैशन में होने जरूरी नहीं है। बट दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग, लुक एट दैट प्रीमियम, but that break even is not nice. Let's just check one thing. So if we do something around 3 ST, What kind of premiums can I expect? So this should be around three standard deviations of set. Yeah, and interesting. Let me just see what do I get at around 23. Yeah, at least super, but these are nice premiums. Yeah, this is comparatively better. Chalo, that's it for now. I'm gonna go have some coffee. It's kind of fun doing all of this while in a wedding, but at the same time, it's kind of hard to analyze things well. Chalo, bhai. Yeah, okay. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully. If I don't, you can consider I found my thick rope. I'm kidding. Probably.